Bubba's in the bathtub. In the sink. Bubba. Bubba's in the bathtub. Get it, bud. Get it, bud. Hi! Yeah. You're gonna get the camera wet. Bubba's in the bathtub. Hi! Hey, Bubba. Hi. I did. Brr. Yes. Excuse you. I zoomed in for that one.
That's the way. That's the way. Yeah.
Mm.
You know how he favors his right arm. What you might do is just some exercise, holding on. Oh. Okay, let's see this one. No, not yet.
He will favor his right arm with some things, but then, like, if I put little pieces of food in front of him, he'll get them with his left. So I'm not sure which side he is yet. That's Icky Bubba. Will you bring his toys in front of him more?
Sure.
Just so he'll see them. There we go. There it goes.
Aha! Look around over here. Whee! There you go. Whee! There you go. Look at him. Little round bottom, he just rolled all over his head.
He inherited that from somebody. Woo!
That was a good one.
He just wants to lean forward and get it.
Tell me when you want me to take my hands completely away.
Oh, I don't care. It's heavier with stuff in it, huh?
Well, you discovered it again, huh? You don't want that old waterfall.
You have the chills.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Whee! Okay. I'll put it on this side. Put you over here. Yeah, now you can see out the window.
That's okay.